Alright, so this is the slime that my child brought home. It says slime time. I made her put it in a bag because this stuff gets everywhere, but it's literally the blue glittery kind that I was talking about. I think that's really strange. Okay, now we're gonna move on to this. This was another song that I had found in the Lincoln Library, and I thought it was really interesting, just some of the words in there, because it just, I don't know, it stands out for sure. That's the year it was made. This is what the original text looked like. Like that. That's what it looks like. And then this is the other one. That's right. This is it. And I thought it was interesting. Again, the words stand out. This is the image. Some of these actually have like recordings with them. These ones don't, but I'm gonna try to open at least two of them each time. Sorry, that was something in my eye. Each time I do a video, because I think they're pretty interesting. Just some of the songs that they have on there. Unless I'm gonna talk about a thing that's relevant to what I'm searching, then I'll pull up that. But that's one of the songs. And then we're going to move on to the 1136 number, which is the variation of the Gematria of the Black Swan event of 1361. The number 1361, this is the variation. So, and it says Ben Kehes. And it looks like it's two words, so I'm gonna translate this word and then put it in here. See what it says. Sun. That's weird. Oops. I've never clicked on that before. Can I close it? Because I don't know what it is. And I just want to continue on. Maybe it just means like somebody that's super aged. I'm not sure. Yeah, it must mean somebody that's older. Yeah. So it's talking about like an older person. Alright, now we're gonna do this word. See what it says. One of the many signs that we're living in the end times is the epidemic of wickedness, violence, and the sweeping role of. Did I do the same word twice? Okay, I'm like, what? Okay, grace. Goodness. Favor. Pretend to be pious. To pretend to be pious. Kind of way. To do good. That's weird. Okay, so we went through this one in another video that I did. I believe it was the first one of this series of the Black Swan event series, I guess we're gonna call it. But we're gonna move on to this one because I think this one is gonna be like the same one, I believe, that we did. It should come up with the Bana on it like last time. If it does, then I definitely did this translation already, so I'm gonna oops. Yeah, Bana, we already did all of that before. So I'm not gonna do this translation, but I am gonna do this one. And over here. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Did I seriously do the tape? Oh, that's the one. Okay, that's what that is. Okay, grace. Goodness, kindness. I'm reading it to see what is on here. Favor, good deed, kindly, loving kindness, merciful kindness, mercy, pity, reproach, wicked thing. Okay. See how many times it comes up. Oh, okay. 247 times. Okay, so we did this. I've got the root for this one coming up, so I'm gonna close this one out so it loads. Okay. Oh, it's the same. Okay. Let's look at it. See what it says. Oh wow. Okay. That's interesting. So we're gonna do this word because it's first, I guess. Beseech. I'm gonna close out 1136 since we already got the root words from there. That way these other pages don't struggle as much, hopefully. Alright. Okay, this one must be frozen. Stop living. Stop living. Okay. So grace. Now it's on to the next one. And sorry, I'm in between YouTube videos. I'm catching up on my YouTubers that I watch. I was at a church event and that's a very long video. There's no way I'm watching that. I had a lineup. That's fine. So anyway, let's read this. Cameron, Hebrew name, to pardon, to grant amnesty, to pity, to have mercy, to deal kindly. For some reason, that makes me think of Trump because of his legal proceedings and such. To pardon, amnesty. Yeah, that makes me think of him for sure. Huh. Beseech, fair, be kind, show favorable, be deal. Huh. Okay. 2583. We haven't done that one yet. Wow. Interesting. Hannah. Hannah? Parked. To park? Hannah? Mother of Samuel the prophet? That's interesting. Um, That's very interesting. To decline of the slanting rays of evening. I think we already did that one, yeah. We already did that one. We're on that one. Okay, well that's interesting to see. Let's see how many times it occurs. 143 times. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna close out of that one because there was no other route word for us to go to. Um, Okay, so I'm gonna close this one out because we did the root words from that one. Now we're gonna go on the Brock, but I think I want to finish that in my next video. So I'm gonna finish off on this one, and then we'll continue the Brock part on the next one. Bye, guys. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, and watching. I appreciate it.